I'm Emmy and this is my first video, and today I'm going to show you how to draw this, my favourite cat plushie. So first we're going to do the ears. First we have to draw two big triangles with no bottoms. Then we have to connect them up, go a bit above so they're not touching, but make it a little oval shape. Have something look like that. Then we're going to do another with that round shape, but go more down to make the head. Now we're going to add the body, and it's going to be a longer, bit like the head, but it's a bit longer, like that. Now we're going to add the tail. So first one line up, and do the same again. And then add a little curve at the top. Now we're going to add the arms. So we need one little paw there, and another paw. Now we're going to do the feet. So same with the hands, just on the bottom of it. Now we're going to draw the eyes. Don't make them too big, otherwise you won't have enough room. But two big circles. Then draw a slightly smaller circle but inside the big circle. And draw an even smaller circle like that. And do the same with the other eye. Now we're going to draw an upside down triangle, smaller, with two little curves for the mouth. Now we're going to draw two little lines for the whiskers, and now we're going to do two mini triangles inside these triangles to make the ears. Now we're going to add some stripes to the tail. So and now we're going to do the heart. So I have one sort of curve here, and have a line, and have another curve, and a line. And then we're going to do the claws, which has two little lines, and now we're going to add it to the feet as well. And now we're gonna do a little round circle for like a shadow or something. Now we're gonna add some colour. Now we've coloured it, you can pause the video to see what colours I've used, or use your own, that's fine. But now let's do the outline. And that's how you draw Plushie Cat. If you guys like the video, then like and subscribe to see more. See you in the next one. Bye! Emily Chaos, that was chaos. Hope you liked the video.